have one tire that just would not stay aired up on this Gravely mower. Don't know the model number, but just like most of the Gravely zero turns, it has those small front wheels. Don't even remember the size of them. Let's see if I can see it in that picture. Almost can see it. Cannot see it right now. But anyways, went ahead and changed the whole tire instead of just putting a tube in. This is a church mower, so didn't have to go cheaper on it. If it was mine, I would have put a tube in it. The bearings were good. Of course, you want to check the bearings while you're doing this. And got the tires on eBay, really good price. Here I'm using an air hammer to break the bead on it. Just works really good. This wasn't hard at all to get it off. Actually, really didn't take me long to do this. I don't know if I put a new tube in here. I'll have to watch the video myself to see if I put a tube in it. But I think I did this in maybe less than 30 minutes. So I'm going to see if I put an actual tube in it. Of course, you want to clean the rim. I put grease around it as well. It helps when you're seating the tire on the rim. You want to get off any kind of rough or sharp edges or anything that might cause the tire. I think during one of these tires, when I was seating it, I got all kinds of grass in it, and then I think I even broke the bead again to try to get all that grass off, just so that we wouldn't have any problems down the line. I think I figured I had to do that because maybe these tires were really kind of stiff, maybe. Okay, no, I did not put a tube in it. That wasn't the one that had all the grass in it.